Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you the inside scoop on the best products around. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Vitamix 64oz low-profile container. Whether you're a home cook or a pro in the kitchen, Vitamix has long been a name trusted by many. But does this container live up to the brand's legendary reputation? Let's find out. The Vitamix 64oz low-profile container is designed to handle large batches, making it an ideal option for those who love to prep ahead. This container is built with Eastman Tritan copolyester, a BPA-free material that's both durable and safe for your food. It's compatible with the Vitamix G-Series machines, including the Vitamix 5300, but do keep in mind, it won't work with the Ascent series machines. The container has a 4-inch diameter blade that can achieve incredibly high speeds, reaching the kind of friction heat that allows you to turn cold ingredients into steaming hot creations in just 6 minutes. What sets this container apart is its low-profile design. This means it's slim enough to fit easily under most kitchen cabinets, a huge plus if you're tight on space. If you've ever struggled with storing bulky kitchen equipment, this could be a game changer. But let's be honest, its design might be sleek, but how well does it perform in day-to-day use? Now, as far as usability goes, this container excels. The 64-ounce capacity is great for making larger portions, and you don't have to worry about constant refills when you're blending. The container is also clearly marked with ounce and cup measurements, which helps with accurate ingredient ratios, especially when you're following a recipe to a T. The lid plug even has a 2-ounce measurement line, making it easier to add ingredients without disrupting the blend. Testing this container out, I found it incredibly easy to set up and use. Whether I was preparing a smoothie, soup, or even nut butter, the blending power was consistent and smooth. The blade's ability to generate enough heat to cook ingredients is a standout feature. Yes, you can make hot soups without a stove. It's just one of those conveniences that you didn't know you needed until you try it. When it comes to comfort, the container doesn't disappoint. The soft grip handle is ergonomic and makes pouring or using the tamper feel like a breeze. If you've ever tried pouring from a heavy container without a good handle, you know it can be a challenge. But with this Vitamix, the handle makes it easy to control the flow, reducing any risk of spills or splashes. Like any product, the Vitamix 64oz low-profile container has its strengths and weaknesses. On the positive side, the material feels sturdy and high quality, and the large capacity is perfect for families or anyone who likes to make large batches of their favorite meals. The low-profile design is another big win. If you have limited storage space, this feature really shines. It's also compatible with a wide range of Vitamix G-Series machines, so if you already own one, this is a seamless addition. The soft grip handle is definitely a plus for comfort during use, but there are a couple of areas that might not appeal to everyone. For one, it's only compatible with G-Series machines, so if you have an Ascent series Vitamix, this container won't work for you. The price point might also be a factor for some users. While it's certainly built to last, there are other containers on the market that might be more affordable for people who don't need all the features this one offers. So, does the Vitamix 64oz low-profile container offer good value for the price? It certainly feels like a premium product, and the performance backs that up. The build quality is top-notch, and the convenience of being able to blend large batches in a smaller profile is hard to beat. However, if you don't already own a Vitamix G-Series machine, or if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are alternatives worth considering. When comparing it to other containers in the market, there are a few things to note. For example, Blendtec offers some similar-sized containers that are compatible with a broader range of machines, but they tend to have a higher profile design. Other brands may also offer containers that fit similar budgets, but they may not come with the same heat-generating capabilities or the premium feel that Vitamix provides. Bosses? If you're someone who values versatility and long-term durability, the Vitamix container could still be the best choice. But if you're just looking for something more basic, there are definitely options out there that cost less. In terms of build quality, this Vitamix container is designed to last. The Eastman Tritan material is strong and resistant to cracks or discoloration, and based on my testing, it holds up well to the rigors of daily use. The container is dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze, especially after those sticky or greasy blends. I wouldn't expect any issues with longevity unless something goes wrong with the base or motor of your Vitamix machine. While I didn't have to reach out to Vitamix customer support for this product, it's worth noting that the company has a solid reputation for customer service. They are known for their quick response times and helpful support, especially when it comes to troubleshooting or warranty claims. As for updates, there's no need to worry here. Since this is a container and not a tech product, there's no firmware or software to update. The features it comes with are built to last and function just as intended out of the box. To wrap things up, the Vitamix 64oz low-profile container delivers on its promises. It's well-built, easy to use, and offers that extra touch of convenience, particularly when it comes to blending large batches without sacrificing storage space. It's perfect for those who already own a compatible Vitamix G-Series machine and are looking to expand their blending capabilities. However, if you're new to the world of Vitamix, or if you don't already own a compatible machine, this might not be the most cost-effective choice for you. But if you're after long-term durability, ease of use, and the ability to prepare large portions, this container is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more great reviews from Reviewsinside.tv. If you have any thoughts, or if you've used this container yourself, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay hungry for more product insights. Goodbye from Reviewsinside TV.